Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to be switching gears from what we've done over the last couple of weeks, which was looking at data, and we're going to be talking about probability and probability distributions. And when I teach this class in person, usually this would be the point at which we would have had the first exam, but instead we just go onwards and onwards. So let's talk about probability. Probability can be defined as the likelihood that an outcome will occur given all possible outcomes out there. So how likely is it that some outcome is going to happen, considering all the different things that could have happened instead? In talking about probabilities, I'll also use the word event, and event would be referring to a process that generates an outcome. So for example, if you had a bag of M&Ms, you might think about the probability that you're going to pull a red M&M out of that bag. So what are the chances that you're going to get a red M&M given all the other different M&Ms that are in the bag? That's your probability. In this case, the event would be pulling an M&M out of that bag. And I'm very disappointed to tell you guys that when I hold this class in person, I usually give everybody a bag of M&Ms today, but instead we're also not doing that. I had to tell you though. All right, so with probability, we're going to be coming up with a probability that'll be expressed as a decimal, but we can also use that to come up with a percent chance. And a percent chance describes the number of times that we would expect an outcome if the event was repeated 100 times. So if we drew an M&M out of a bag 100 times, how many times would we expect that M&M to come up red? And so that would be the same thing as the probability of getting a red M&M. It's just a different way of expressing it. So now I'm going to hop over to the document camera and go through some probability examples and also show you the formula to calculate a probability.